With Thanksgiving coming up, we thought it would be a good time to make an appropriate video about what we're thankful for. So stay tuned as we explain what went catastrophically wrong and the product that saved the day. This time on TriStar Woodworking Creations. We got an order for a custom cutting board. Customer wanted his last name inlaid in it. Cool. He also wanted his and his wife's first names on it. No problem. And the kids' names. Okay. All four of the kids. So if you don't have your shoes off for easy Tennessee math, that is 7 names on one cutting board. Customer's other request is, since he has such a large family, he wants a board big enough to butcher a buffalo. Okay, well, he said about 2 briskets at once, but we're already this far down the rabbit hole, so what's a buffalo, right? Challenge accepted. So the customer decided on a 36-inch by 24-inch board with the juice groove. So we headed off to Jeffrey's Woodworks, our local hardwood dealer here, and got a lot of hard maple. We got back to the shop, got all the lumber milled up, got it in clamps and glue. And then flatten it on the Shapeoko CNC. I started using the masking tape and CA glue trick for the hold down method. Had really good luck with that. But on this one, due to the sheer size of the board, I added a couple of fences just to be extra safe. We started carving everything out using the downtown Jenny, the 60-degree groovy Jenny, as well as the 1/2-inch bolt cut Jenny, all from Cadence Manufacturing. Those are some great CNC bits there. Once we got all the inlays and plugs cut out, just glue them in and we'll be good to go, right? Except the center one. How do I glue that one down? I guess I'll just do this. That should work. Or not.
It was building. It was going to be exciting, and somebody ruined it. Edith, get off this stage.
Thankfully, that was a clean break. And just like people are thankful for turkey, football, and friends, we're thankful for you subscribing and liking this video. And while you do that, I'll tell you about the magic that saved this project. So after Amanda had a short conversation with Nick, the owner of Bossdog Glue, he had us right back on track in no time. This stuff absolutely saved the day and, well, the entire project. If anyone has any ideas on a better way to clamp up that center inlay, please leave it in the comments. Now we are back out of clamps. Terry, would you like to do the honors?
Oh!
So after all of this, it's just back to our normal process of sanding up to 220 grit and then applying a oil finish to the entire board. Even with the huge setbacks, full-time job, and life itself, we were still able to get this board finished, photos taken, and delivered ahead of schedule. So, there you go. That is how you go from a catastrophe to a happy customer. For more exciting project builds, please click this box right up here. And for any of our products that we currently have available for sale or for custom order requests, please go to our website at www.tristarwoodworkingcreations.com. I'll also leave a link in the description as well as a pinned comment to make it easy for you to find, to our site as well as the Bossdog Glue. No affiliate or anything with them. I'm just a huge supporter, huge fan of their product. And I would like to personally say thank you to all veterans, active duty, military, and first responders out there making sure that we can keep doing what we love to do every single day.